Welcome back. Thank you so much for coming my channel. I mixed a lemon yellow with a little bit of permanent red and water. The shape of the yolk of Sunny Side Up is like a half of a spear, so I highlight in shades at the opposite side. And I add some more permanent red for shades. Mix much water to depict egg white. And paint the middle part under yolk because it reflects the yolk. Also marking the border. I love soft fried eggs with a low fire, but I paint a little crispy for more realistic. I used less water at the edge, and it looks more fried. I usually took one painting video about 3 to 5 takes, which means I need many times and so hard to do at once. But this one is only one take. It just took 15 minutes. It is really easy and you only need about 3 colors, so I highly recommend to beginners of watercolor painting. Thank you so much for watching my video and please subscribe for next video.